Title: The Unstoppable Advance of Technology, Transformations and Impacts. Introduction: Technology has revolutionized our world in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. From the boom of the digital era to developments in robotics, artificial intelligence to global connectivity, our way of living, working, and communicating has been radically transformed. This article will explore some of the latest technological trends and analyze their impacts on various areas of society. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are playing an increasingly significant role in our daily lives. From virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, AI is accelerating automation and the learning capabilities of machines. Applications are diverse, spanning the healthcare and financial sectors to manufacturing and logistics. Connectivity and 5G, the fifth generation of wireless connectivity, or 5G, is revolutionizing the speed and reliability of internet connections. This technology is crucial for the advancement of the Internet of Things, IoT, and Industry 4.0, paving the way for new opportunities in ultra-fast communication and more stable connections, with profound impacts on sectors like telemedicine, virtual reality, and industrial automation. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has the potential to transform the financial, legal, and logistics sectors. Its decentralized nature offers increased security and transparency in transactions, reducing dependence on intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies themselves are becoming more widely accepted as a form of payment, redefining the concepts of currency and finance. Biotechnology and medicine. Innovations in biotechnology are opening up new possibilities in disease treatment and human health enhancement. From DNA editing to the production of artificial organs, technology is expanding the boundaries of medicine. The rapid evolution of diagnostic tools and personalized therapies offers new hope for treating previously considered incurable diseases. Sustainability and clean technologies. Growing concerns for the environment have driven the development of sustainable and clean technologies. Solar energy, wind power, and other renewable sources are becoming increasingly competitive, contributing to reducing the environmental impact of energy. Furthermore, innovation in sustainable materials and eco-friendly production practices is redefining how we conceive and manufacture products. Conclusion: technology is advancing at an accelerated pace, constantly redefining our way of life. While it offers countless opportunities and advantages, it is crucial to address the ethical and social challenges that may arise from these innovations. Striking a balance between technological progress and social responsibility becomes essential to ensure a sustainable and inclusive future. Our ability to adapt and manage this wave of changes will determine the course of society in the coming years.